Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever wondered how much YouTube actually pays for short, simple tech videos like the ones I make? Well, today I'm giving you a quick tour on my YouTube studio, and somewhere in the middle of this video I'll reveal my actual earnings. So if you are curious, stay tuned, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. So let's get started. So first of all, a few basics. If I open my YouTube studio, you will see the interface like this. I'm not gonna reveal this earning first because I know you are curious about it. First of all, let me show you the analytics. So if I click on it, here you can see the views are not so high. It's about 28.2k. It's happening because I'm just getting about 1k views per day. And for 30 days it's about 28.2k. That's not so high, but YouTube paid something equivalent of it. So if I show you the audience, here you can see that most of the audience of my channel are from United States and India, and there are also some members from other areas. So here you can see the difference. Okay, so if I show you my exact earning right now, let's see. So this is my exact earning. I got about $58.1 for 28.2k views. So it's about multiplying 2x times, I think. So let me talk about the RPM or CPM. So if I go to the revenue tab, here you can see that the RPM for my videos is $2.14. So I'm getting about $2.14 for 1,000 views. That means I'm getting about $2 daily. Here you can see that 3.45, 2.20, 2.33, 1.66. So this is the average earning for my channel. So I think this video will help you a lot, and you will be motivated after watching this video. I'm not making this video too long because I know that your time is very valuable thing. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and stay supporting me. So let me know about your thoughts in the comment section, and see you in the next videos. Till then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.